Hey guys, welcome back. Abkoncore sent me 2 PSUs and a case a while ago, and we'll be taking a look at the case in an upcoming video. But today we'll be checking out their 850 watt Tenergy fully modular 80+ gold certified PSU. Comes with a 10-year warranty as well. So let's get into it. Let's see what we got inside the Tenergy PSU box. An owner's manual. Here we have a box full of modular cables. Let's go through them piece by piece. ATX cables for your motherboard. SATA cable for your drives. A power cord, 4 and 8-pin CPU cable, Molex cables, another set of SATA cables, PCIe cables for your GPU, and another set of SATA cables, 8-pin CPU power, and another set of PCIe cables for your GPU. Let's take a look at the PSU itself. The Tenergy PSU can sustain a maximum load of 70 amps at the 12 volt rail and 20 amps at the 5 volt rail. Let's take a look at the connections. Here we have the ATX power connectors going to your motherboard. Here you can connect your CPU power or PCIe/GPU power. A set of 4 connectors for your peripherals. And 3 8-pin connectors for your CPU power or GPU power. One more thing I wanted to mention, that the fan is actually semi-passive and kicks in over 50% PSU load. Kinda neat. And last but not least, let's talk about pricing. I found the PSU online around 85 euros. Pretty good price point if you ask me for a 10-year warranty PSU. That's pretty much it for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed my overview of the Abkoncore Tenergy 850 watt PSU. And tell me in the comments what you think about the Abkoncore PSU. See you in the next one. Bye.